video, we'll go over using Google to find the content that is free to use. Open educational resources are resources that are available to use freely and they are available under the public domain, right? Now, a lot of content that we search in Google may not be licensed for us to use in our classroom. There might be some kind of money involved. So let's search algebra. Okay. Now, when I search this, there's a lot of content that you can see that is available for us, a lot of YouTube videos and all, a lot of books are available. Are they all for us to use? No. So what we're going to do is we're going to change our search in a way, or filter the content in a way that we get only the content that is available for us to use as OER. Now remember, we will change the filter, and yes, the content should be under that license, but you should always look into the details and see if there is a license, or confirm with the vendor who's providing the content, or publisher who's providing the content for open educational resources. You should see the license there. If you see the license, you know, Creative Commons license, you should know that it is open education. But if there is no license, please confirm with the publisher. So we will click on this little icon right here, settings icon. We'll go to advanced search, and here you can see that this is the search that we have done. Now usage rights is on the bottom. Here you're saying usage rights, I would like to filter it by, you can use free to share, free to use, share, modify, and even commercially. Now I will hit search. Now if you see the information that you are looking at right now is a lot different than what you had seen earlier. Now this information that you see, the data that is available, is going to be open educational resource or free to use, modify, and even commercially, but we need to confirm it. We should make it a habit of just confirming it once. Lumen Learning, a lot of you might have heard about Lumen Learning. Lumen Learning provide a lot of solution for open educational resources. They have created courses, and they charge minimal amount for each course, but they also provide a lot of free content for people to use on their own. And as you can see, this OER service, Beginning Algebra Chapter 3, is provided to the public for free. If you go on the bottom right here, free linear algebra textbook, says it clearly that it is free, but then when you come in here, there is some other information, and you see right here, there is one license that is given, some rights reserved, Creative Commons. So you can see that some of the items that are given here is free to use under the Creative Commons license. Let's look at something else here. Again, Lumen Learning here. If you go to Lumen Learning, and you will see it's college algebra, and as you can keep going, it gives you more information about what is happening with this page. Open textbook. Okay, again, algebra. And then when you were looking at it, all the content through BC Learning, BC Textbooks is available for you to use as an open content. And the license here is Creative Commons license that we had talked about. Now this license, in one of the videos, we have talked about that this is embedded in it. The embedding process is explained in that video. So if you have a question of how to embed a license on your website, please look at that video, and it will explain how to get an embedding code for your website. I hope this video helped to filter your data, to modify your search on Google to find content that is free to use. Good luck.